All right, what's up, guys? So I know you guys are going to probably see this a day later after CPI happened. Today is the 11th of July, and CPI has already took place. But I just want to go over something, especially on Nikkei and the trading for the week. I know I've did several prior videos, and I'll link them up top so you can see or in the description. And I try to do it every single day, posting my trades that I get trading the Kia on the 3 and the 5 minute time frame, which has been pretty consistent lately for the last 2 weeks. So we'll go from there. But I just wanted to show you guys something how you can use the fib retracement to potentially how the news catalyst catapulted this trade, this price all the way back past the 38.5 fib level. All right, if you can see right here, this was the beginning of the week, right here. All right, and then let me just get rid of this. Let me get rid of this 200 so you can see. All right, and then let me just get rid of this too as well. All right, and get all of this out of the way. All right, as you can see right here. So I know this is hindsight that I'm showing you now, but what I do is I trade. See, like not hindsight now, but if you look at my previous videos, you can see the trades that I was in, and I showed the results for that. All right, but again, if you can see right here, if you trading today CPI, yesterday didn't take the trade yesterday because I was out at the gym. But if you look the lowest of the low, and then you look Asian session, the highest of the high. Now look what it did. It broke all the way past the 50% level. All right. So let's say you're right here. You didn't trade the Asian session. You like, hey, boom, boom. I didn't trade it. I was good. But if you look, CPI happened right around 7:30. And let me just zoom in. Let's see where we can see it at. Let me see. Let me put a right here. All right. And let's go. Let's do a little back testing. All right. Let's see what happens right here. And you let me know if you can see it. Look at that. CPI news. It broke out, but then it came back down, right back down. All right, CPI broke out, came right back down. Now let me show you the strategy, and I use this for my daily time frame as well. Daily time frame as well. How you could potentially have made 7K off of one contract with Nikkei as well. And the reason why I say 7K because you only need one contract. Well, I'm saying this is three contracts. I'm sorry, three contracts, which is 25 points a contract. All right. So be careful if you don't have a big enough account size. All right. So look, here's it broke through. We're not going to use this one. Remember, I said the two candle. We're going for a sale. Two candle highs. Two candle highs, guys. All right. Here's my one setup candle. Completely broke past my 20 EMA. Here's my second setup candle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back up here. And believe me, you got to have a big enough account for this. That's why I say if you're on Top Step, make sure you go for the 200, the 100,000 or the 200,000. No, I'm saying not the 200,000, the 150,000. And that way you can have enough leverage for this account. All right. So you want to bring it back up to here. That's about 50 something points right here. And if you want to go for one right here, that's cool. But I would have left this open at least till it got past the 38 fib retracement. But I'm gonna show you the power and the potential if you monitor the trades the right way and have faith in your system. All right, look at that. You already at 1125. All right, boom, 750. We back up into 450. So this is why I say 300. This is why I say you can't do this on no 50K account because 1K you out. All right. You would have been out already with that 50K account. All right. It retraced just a little bit. Now it's back in the profit. It's kind of playing around. All right, here we go. Again, we sticking with the strategy that I have. I use the same strategy on the daily time frame. All right, it just plays out a lot better because there's more price action, not movement, but it's more I would say specific and it's clear on the daily time frame when I trade forex. All right, and look at this, broke down. Now you're at 34.50. 34.50. All right. Let's continue on down to right now, to where it's at right now. Keep in mind, this is 3 contracts. Now you're at 5,700. All right. If you're on a live account, all right, a lot of you guys, including me, probably would have gone ahead and just, all right, I'm done. I'm done. I'm good for the month. But if you'd have held on, if you have nerves of steel, look at this. 67.50. All right, 67.50. That's basically a lot of people's monthly income. All right. But let's go back and just say you do have the 50K account, all right, and you do a 1 contract. Let's do a 1 contract. All right, that's your second setup candle. All right, and let's sell. All right, negative 425 is the highest you got up. You're okay because you have $1,000 $1,000 daily loss limit. All right, look at that. Now here's the only thing: if you in the combine still, for the 50K, you cannot have over $1,500 consistency rule. All right, so be careful with that. Be careful. So that's why I would say only use 1 lot. I mean, 1 contract. I'm sorry, 1 contract. But if you look all the way down, let's go all the way down and see where it goes. All right, same thing. If you're on your live right now, 2,200, still a good daily profit for let's see how many, from 7:45 to 12:45, about 4 hours. 4 hours, right? You make $2,700. All right, makes sense. All right, if you can see right here, let's go back in Asian time frame. So keep in mind, I normally only trade this, and if you look at my other video, I always say Asian session at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, and then just configure off the daily time. Configure off the Asian session 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're in New York or Eastern Standard Time, it's 8 o'clock, so on and so forth. If you look right here, the 7 o'clock candle is right here. All right, on the 5-minute time frame, 7 o'clock candle is right here. All right, so look at this. 1, 2. All right, nice setup. We going for 20, 20. Boom, in and out. Let me show you why I say this is pretty. What in the world? All right, what happened here? All right, there we go. Boom. This is the trade I missed. This is the trade I missed yesterday, but I caught 3 of them the day before, the days before. 1 contract. Boom. It's literally about 500 points. All right, $500. All right, look at that. Stay patient. Stay patient. Believe in your strategy. All right, and you're done. Done for the day. If you look right here, let's look the next day. Look at the next day. You got a lot of movement. You actually had 2 entries here. You have, let's go on the 3-minute time frame. All right, so let's stay on. No, I'm sorry. Let's stay on the 5-minute time frame. All right. So if you look right here, this is too far from the EMA. So I wouldn't have took this one. I would have took this one and this one. So I did trade this one, but I was on the 3-minute time frame. But we're gonna stay on the 5-minute time frame. Look at that. Easy mics. I did 20 and 20. I was in and out in a few minutes. All right, look at that. Look at that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30. All right. Let's do it on. Let's look back at the 3-minute time frame. All right. If you look right here, I actually think I probably went back on my strategy. I actually took it right here because I just like the movement going up. If you look right here, 20 and 20. All right. Even if you took it right here, 20 and 20, but this is too far away from me. All right, so that's probably why I wouldn't have took it right there, but I took it right here. All right, boom. Look, the day prior, then you have another entry right here. Scale up. This is on a Wednesday. It's on the Wednesday, Tuesday. Yep, Tuesday. Asian session. Look at here. Same thing. like I'm gonna be honest, recently, this pair has been doing the same thing on Monday through Wednesday. All right, you know, so it's been consistently been able to get profit with this. Look at this. I get in and out and I close the market, and I could come back and be like, man, look at all that money I left on the table. But at the same time, I'm in and out. I got the money, the lots I did that I needed to get right here. Let me go. Let me undo this. Okay, I guess not right now. All right, let's get rid of this field retracement. All right, so if I look right here, this is the day prior, right? All right, this is the day prior. So what I'm not going to do, and that's when the 200 EMA comes into play for me, right? All right, the 200 EMA comes into play, and if you look right, 1900. All right, this is when I started trading, and I didn't even take a trade. Yeah, I did. I took a trade this day. All right, because I looked, it was doing all this mess, and then I was doing all this mess, and let's make this smaller. All right, see this? I don't like this. All right, this is a bunch of choppiness. I'm not taking no trades that look like this. But if you wait, boom, boom, and guess what else? Do 20, 20, 20, 20. Boom, look at that. All right, so Monday was kind of ugly. All right, so if you calculate it, let's just calculate this real quick. All right, 5, 1,000, 1,500. If you stayed in, 2,000, 2,500. That's 2,500. All right, let me get out of here. 2,500 for the week. 2,500 for the week. But I didn't take this trade, but I was just showing you from CPI. All right, so let's go back. Let's go back. Is this all right? 5, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500. All right, get what you can get out the market, man. Get it. You know, these big moves is cool. Big moves is cool if you have that, but I get in, get out. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It gave me 5 setups for the week. 5 setups for the week. They got $2,500 for the week. And if you look at last month, last week, look at this. It gave you a lot of setups here. All right, starting off with, look, setup. All right, look, setup. All right, look, nice setup right here. Look, came underneath, gave you a nice setup around this time frame. All right, and this is Wednesday. Look at that. Now, this day, I didn't trade this. They didn't give me a good setup. It was ugly looking. All right, so that's about 4 trades that week. So if you look, 1,000 this week. 2,000. I'm sorry, 2,000 this week. All right, 2,500, 3,000, 3,500. All right, look at that. 4,000. In 2 weeks, you made $4,000. That was pretty much a daily, a monthly salary of $4,000 trading in 2 weeks. Now you make that if you're a regular day trader or a trader, that's all you do. That's all you, and you have other businesses coming in. You good. You don't have to trade for the rest of the month off of 2 weeks. All right. So hopefully you understood what I said. I'm not going to beat this dead horse. I'm just letting you know every single time I get in here, I spit the same strategy over and over and over and over and over, starting with the daily time frame all the way down to scalping. All right. Now, of course, you have some other things you have to implement when it comes to trading, trading as well. You actually have to go to, let's get rid of this, the 22 drawings, and let's get rid of this price action rules. Price action is key. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Look at this. I'm just go through on a regular. Where's my? Here it is. Look at that. Boom. All right, and then boom. All right, you see that? Playing around here. I wouldn't play if the range is this big. I wouldn't play around here. But look, now look. Boom. It broke out. Broke out of here. Look, retraced. Broke out. All right, retraced. Broke out. If you use price action along with the strategy I'm giving you, man, you cannot go wrong. You cannot go wrong. All right, because price is king. Look at that. Find you one. Find you a dip. All right, look at that. Boom, broke out. All right, see what I'm saying? Look at that. Broke out to here to 42.02. All right, consolidated a little bit. Boom, broke out again. Consolidating. Boom, broke out. It kept doing the same thing over and over and over. All right. All I'm telling you is that look at this. This is a lot of consolidation right here. All right, pick the highest point. All right, pick the lowest point. Pick the lowest point. Don't mess with it. Don't mess with it. When you see it in between here, this is ugly. This is ugly. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Took a few days. Boom, broke out. Consolidation. All right. Boom, broke out. Retrace. Boom, retrace. Boom, retrace. You get what I'm saying? So if you zoom out, the same thing on the daily time frame. All right, daily time frame. You can do the same thing, man. Look, I'm sorry, I don't want to get too deep into the price action, but it's all about price is king. All right, you see that? If you look down here, all right, you've seen it came up, you've seen it retrace, but the highest one, or you can go right here, go back to the highest point, and you look right here. It retraced to 34.65. All right. All you doing is waiting for it to pop back up. And we're doing it on here. I don't trade on the daily time frame on here. It's better a daily time frame on the forex pair. All right, because that's a little bit more lenient with my account. All right, look at that. The same thing. Look at this. All right, played around a little bit, broke out. Now look where it's playing around at. Now it just broke. Again, it just broke up here. All right, let's zoom in. Let's zoom all the way in. All right, now it's down from CPI news today. Look, now if it comes back down, retrace for a few days, but you can use these for your entries. Okay. Other than that, if you've seen some guidance, or you got some value out of what I'm saying, hit the like button. Put a comment down below if you'd like me to go over the strategy again. If you would like one-on-ones, you can hit the link in the description as far as joining my Telegram group or my Discord group. I post all these trades, and sometimes I post the signals before I take them. So it's all free right now. So go ahead on and hit the like button and hit the bell for notification. You guys have a good trading week.